Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Dr.B.P.Mishra from Homeoheal Smile and Shine Lounge, Indore. My last video was about the diet plan for healthy and young skin for vegetarians. So dear non-vegetarians, just keep calm because today's video is specifically for you and all you wish to have relishing non-veg along with a healthy skin and without gaining a lot of weight. But let me tell you, only non-veg will not give you complete solution, as non-veg will fulfill the source of protein, iron and some other minerals definitely. Still, you need to add some other sources too, like dairy products and fruits. The reason why I exclude carbs from diet is they lead to faster aging and they also bulk up the person. So, add more of proteins, minerals, fibers and some amount of fat to your diet. So, like my earlier video, here also I'm going to tell you about how to plan a day for a younger looking skin for non-vegetarians. Starting your breakfast with skimmed milk and 5 almonds will give you a great start. Add 3 egg whites. Avoid the yolk, that is the yellow part. Egg, I would prefer boiled one. It's good, but if you cannot have boiled one, you can have omelet too. In your lunch, either have chapati or rice, and along with it you can have chicken or fish curry. But avoid spicy and oily curries every day. It is absolutely fine to have chicken or fish in your diet daily, but I would suggest don't overeat. You can have green salad and yogurt daily, but it should be fat-free one. Also, if some people who are fitness freak and the one doing workout and all, I would suggest to have whey protein with milk and banana post workout. Dinner should be at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep, and also it should be lightest meal comprising mainly of protein. You can have 100 gram of fish or chicken along with 1 or 2 chapati and avoid rice during dinner. Also, I would suggest you to avoid spice and oil in the curry and add more of green salad and fiber rich food to your diet. The diet plan varies from one individual to another, so if you are taking medicines for any specific disorder, I would suggest you take advice of your physician before starting this diet plan. For a healthy individual, there are no bars. You can start it outright. Also, you can visit us at Homeoheal Smile and Shine Lounge, Indore, where we suggest you all that's good for your skin, and we also provide homeopathic medicines which are completely safe and without any side effects. You can also visit our website www.homeoheal.in. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.